everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to edit bio on your Bumble. To get started, let's open Bumble app. So this is your home page. Here you can see many icons. Click on profile icon. Now it will navigate to you a profile page. So here you can see complete my profile. Below the profile picture. So click on it. Now here scroll down. Here you can see my bio. In the box you can edit your bio. For now I am writing, "Hello, welcome back to my channel." And then you can click on the tick button that is located on top right corner. So in this way you can edit your bio on Bumble app. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.